From this series, she goes into her dilated grain readings, of which this is a beautiful example. She basically commissioned this open weave linen and then created almost like a proprietary paint that she would put into recycled ketchup bottles and apply directly to the linen, giving a very opaque look, but one that also has dimensionality. And this is when we start to see what her theory of scanning is, which continues through the 1970s, and truly an abstract language. Can you tell us a bit about how you came to sort of this conclusion, that this was the way you wanted to paint with this texture?
Well, the paint readings, we'd have to really talk about dilated grain readings first, I think, because I was involved with this whole, after the drape painting series, and pleated paintings and stitching. I then moved into reading the surfaces, wanting the viewers to read the surfaces depending upon how I squeezed color out of the tubes to outline the weave of either the canvas or the weave of linen that I had woven for me. Of course, they were all squeezed out of ketchup bottles because food has always been in my narrative somewhere, personally. Food, like the Impasta series, which unfortunately I didn't have any here.
I should jump in. The Impasta series was sort of an extension.
Kind of on this, yes.
But they were horizontal threads. It sort of made it look like pasta flung against a wall.
Right.
I'm sorry we weren't able to include one of those in the show.
I know. I never found them. Somebody probably ate them.